Good morning, students. I'm Brian, and this is the English of Life. I was looking for a lesson idea, and so I decided to just go to YouTube and put in a search here for an English lesson, all right, and see what came up. So here in just like the second choice, I see that this English teacher named Ronnie has a video on the grammar of have, has, and had, and it has 12 million views in the last 8 years. So I figure at 12 million views, then there is a lot of English students that are interested in this lesson. So I decided to do a basic English grammar lesson on have, has, and had. So here we go. Let's get started.
Confused about when to use have and when to use has? I have a cat. Do you have a cat? Yes, I have a cat. Or, no, I don't have a cat. I have a person. Do you have a watch? Yes, I have a watch. No, I don't have a watch. Wow, you have a nice watch. Do they have hair? Yes, I have hair. No, I don't have hair. I have hair now too. We have hair. Yes, they have hair. Do they have ice cream? Yes, we have ice cream. Yes, they have ice cream. Do they have homework? No, they don't have homework. No, we don't have homework. Does he have a car? Yes, he has a car. I have a car. No, he doesn't have a car. I don't have a car. I have a bike. Does she have a boyfriend? Yes, she has a boyfriend. I have a boyfriend. Yes, she has a boyfriend. I don't have a boyfriend. She doesn't have a boyfriend. Does Mike have money? I don't have money. No, Mike doesn't have money. But Bill has money. I have lots of money. Does it have a lock? Yes, it does have a lock. Yes, it has a lock. Does it have a lock? No, it doesn't have a lock.
Teacher Brian, if we use have for plurals like we and they, and we use has for single pronouns like he and she, then why do we use have for you and I? Isn't there only one of me and one of you?
That is a very good question. Most teachers would tell you something like, "That's just the way it is," No reason, really. English is just crazy like that sometimes. Actually, you and I are not one. You are two, I am two. There is our true self, the self, a being of pure energy. And there is our mind projected image of ourselves, the ego. The ego is the voice in your head, constantly looking for the answer to, who am I? Most everyone believes their ego to be themselves. Maybe, just maybe, the English language knows. You are not your mind. But that is a topic for another day. For single nouns and uncountable nouns, use has. She has, Mike has, someone has, my mom has, your sister has, he has, it has, Bill has, nobody has, Shanghai has, Japan has, the house has, he has, she has, it has, an elephant has, a teacher has, that boy has, his dog has, this girl has, her nose has, your job has, our lesson has, she has, he has, Amy has, God has, heaven has, hell has, the inside has, the outside has, water has, money has, air has, it has, life has. For plural nouns, use have. We have, Mike and Joe have, some cars have, my shoes have, your sisters have, they have, we have, Bill and Bob have, few people have, flowers have, dogs have, the houses have, they have, we have, eggs have, elephants have, teachers have, those boys have, his hands have, though these girls have, her eyes have, your jobs have, our lessons have, we have, they have, Amy have, no, that should be Amy's have, the gods have, planets have, cities have, the insides have, the outsides have, books have, the beds have, words have. Some nouns are both countable and uncountable. Chicken the animal is countable. The chicken has white feathers. These chickens have white feathers. Chicken the meat is uncountable. Chicken has lots of protein. All past tense use had.
We had, Mike had, Mike and Joe had, some cars had, my shoes had, your sisters had, they had, we had, Bill and Bob had, few people had, flowers had, dogs had, the houses had, they had, we had, eggs had, elephants had, teachers had, those boys had, his legs had, these girls had, her eyes had, your jobs had, our lessons had, we had, they had, Amy had, the gods had, planets had, cities had, the insides had, the outsides had, books had, the beds had, words had, fingers had, she had, Mike had, someone had, my mom had, your sister had, he had, it had, Bill had, nobody had, Shanghai had, Japan had, the house had, he had, she had, it had, an elephant had, a teacher had, that boy had, his dog had, this girl had, her nose had, your job had, our lesson had, she had, he had, Amy had, God had, heaven had, hell had, the inside had, the outside had, water had, money had, air had, it had.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, English students from all over the world, the moment you have been waiting for has finally arrived. I give you the mastermind behind the supernatural English study method, the teacher of teachers,
the man who gave hope back to English students everywhere, the maker of dreams, the wonderful, the great, the one and only, Teacher Brian!
Thank you. Thank you all so very much. It's great to be here tonight.
I love you!
I love you too.
Is it true you never sleep?
Actually, yes, that is true. I haven't slept since 2005.
Have you started work on your next video?
Yes, of course. I work on videos day and night.
What is the topic of your next lesson?
Well, I think I will be doing a lesson on slang and urban English next.
Are you going to make a website for your students?
Yes, most certainly I'm going to be making a website. It should be coming out in a couple of months.
Daddy, can you be Napa, please?
Sure, honey. I just had the strangest dream. Special thanks to my students, Darren, Hannah, Candy, and Eason.
I love you.
And to my family, Shauna, Marcus, and Vanessa, for your help and support.
I love you.